around here in eastern Iowa this Tuesday night. But David, again, summer temperatures making their way back to eastern Iowa.
They will make their way back. And for now, if I could do anything, I would just rinse and repeat the last week or so when we were in the 70s. Unfortunately, that's not the case, and we'll have to get up into the 80s here. For right now, we're going to stay pretty calm and dry. We can see over in the air quality index department, something we've been talking about for the last week, we're pretty clear for the most part. Dubuque, maybe into tomorrow you could see some little bit extra smoke, but I think most of the area will stay mostly dry. Taking a look at our Dubuque City cam or sky cam right now, we can see a little bit of haze off into the distance, but for now, just an amazing day out there. Temperatures around the 80s. We broke our 70-degree stretch. Heat index values not much higher than that, all because that moisture is only slowly starting to creep its way up throughout the rest of the week. And it's the same story across the state. We'll see temperatures mostly around the 80s, Waterloo 80, Cedar Rapids 81, and we'll see that increase in moisture from those southerly winds we've been having as well. That's going to start to make it feel that humid, sticky feeling that we've been seeing outside, especially before we had that cool stretch. We can see almost 10 degrees in the dew point factor above where we were this time yesterday. That's a huge difference that'll come to play in a factor, especially when we're talking about rain, moisture, and some storms as well. For now, tonight, we're going to stay mostly dry, but that increase in dew point could lead to some storms, mostly in our western counties where that strongest increase in moisture has occurred. So let's time it all out here on Predictor. We're seeing those southeasterly winds come up from the south and east and make its way into our area, but mostly stay clear as we go throughout the overnight hours and into tomorrow. But once we get to tomorrow morning, we're going to start to notice there's this line of storms coming in from our west. This is all fueled by some strong winds over there, but mostly we're going to see that atmosphere kind of destabilize those storms, and by the time they get into our area, we're going to mostly see isolated showers at best. Most of the time we're going to stay clear. It won't be until tomorrow evening where we could start to see a better chance of storms. This one we aren't as certain as where those storms will lie, but we are sure that somewhere in the state of Iowa will have storms. Will they be west of here or will they be here? That's where we're uncertain. So make sure to keep an eye on Iowa's News Now for further updates on the storms. After we get rid of them, we'll eventually start to warm up here into the 90s once we get into Friday and into Saturday as well. But after we get past those 90s, that's when we're going to start to see those temperatures slowly start to cool down from a cold front that'll pass through Sunday into Monday and also bring us a better chance of storms by the time we get later into the weekend.